I invite you to eat more blue foods for your brain. Did you know that you actually have 3 brains? You have your gut brain, your heart brain, and your mind. It's true. And you can fuel all of them with the brilliance of blue foods, which happens to be one of the rarest and most difficult colors to find naturally occurring in foods. But these nutrient-dense powerhouses are definitely worth seeking out because they nourish your body, sharpen your mind, and they support your gut. They enhance cognitive clarity, emotional balance, and your digestion. So essentially, they connect the dots between what you eat, how you think, feel, and how you thrive. Welcome back. In this section, we're going to dive into the color blue, which is a symbol of trust, truth, tranquility, and clarity. And blue foods are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support brain, gut, and heart health. They reduce the risk of chronic disease and aid in anti-aging. Anthocyanins are highly present in blue foods and are responsible for that distinctive blue and purplish pigment. It's often found in blueberries, blackberries, blue corn, elderberries, and anthocyanins are powerful compounds that act as prebiotics, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. They can also cross the blood-brain barrier, directly impacting your brain cells. And studies also show that anthocyanins may help protect against cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Regular consumption is also associated with improved cardiovascular health, as anthocyanins can help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol, and enhance overall heart function. We also need to touch on polyphenols, which are abundant in blue foods like blueberries and blackberries and belong to a large and diverse group of naturally occurring compounds found in plants, with over 8,000 different types categorized into 4 groups: flavonoids, phenolic acids, polyphenolic amides, and polyphenols. And these help neutralize free radicals, providing protection from oxidative stress, promote better brain, gut, and heart health, and inhibit anti-inflammatory pathways in the body. So you're probably wondering, how can blue foods boost my productivity or improve my clarity? Well, blue foods protect the brain cells from oxidative stress and improve communication between neurons, leading to better memory, sharper focus, and overall mental clarity. The antioxidants they contain offer neuroprotection, while anthocyanins improve circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the brain, enhancing mental performance, focus, clarity, and reducing brain fog. Additionally, anthocyanins benefit your eyes by reducing strain and improving vision and clarity. So if you're feeling inspired to try something new, or you're in the mood for something blue, you might enjoy a blue chia pudding, or a blue magic smoothie bowl, or forbidden black rice bowl, blueberry pancakes, or blue corn tacos with black beans, or of course, a blueberry smoothie. If any of these appeal to you, check out the workbook for the full recipes and nutritional information, and test out the exercises to test your comprehension. Until then, I'll see you in the next lesson.